Hey, what's your name?
Hi, my name's John Erickson.
Great. John, style of music. What's your favorite style of music and why?
I'll tell you, it's not punk rock. And the reason why is because I get whiplash every time I start dancing to it. Literally, big hair, sore neck.
Were you a big hair guy back in the day?
In the 90s? I guess so, yeah. These days, some days.
Awesome. And hey, what's your name?
Hi, I'm Corrine Lawrence.
Great. Corrine, do you like roller coasters? Are you like an adventurous person in your life?
I'm terrified of roller coasters, but I am an adventurous person. I love to travel. Love
Yeah?
to eat, love to explore cultures and languages.
What's been the most interesting culture you've explored outside of here?
Africa, went there last summer. It was amazing. Oh my gosh, it was fantastic. The people, the culture, the food, and of course the extraordinary animals. It exceeded my expectations.
Excellent, excellent. And hey, what's your name?
Hi, my name is Chantel Ciprian.
Great. Coachella or Stagecoach? What are you into?
Actually neither, because
Yes.
I heard that the person who runs Coachella is like funding for like they support homophobia.
Yep.
And I'm not down with that, so.
Very cool. Very good. And hey, what's your name?
Hi, my name is Lilia Huang.
Great. What is the most fulfilling thing about being a parent?
I have no time. But actually that's fulfilling because I've heard people say that they have nothing to do, they're so bored. I don't even know what bored means. And so we always have a very fun time.
Okay, excellent.